land of chocolate, cheese, wildflowers, glaciers, happy cows, and these beautiful mountains around us.
Don't need a reason, we'll just go, and we will go.
One of the best things about Switzerland is the sound of cowbells just all the time, everywhere you hike.
This is our time, we're feeling so alive. The stars, they all ignite for you and I.
Seeing Switzerland by hiking is the best way to do it because you get to go up into the mountains, you get to go through the trees, by the brooks, and it's all unfiltered. You also get to do it at your own pace. So when you see something that is beautiful, you can stop and really drink it in.
The guides are just amazing. They give you the perfect experience in every country. It's different to just being a tourist.
Did you know that the Toblerone is actually shaped after the Matterhorn? There it is.
So here we have the national flower of Switzerland. It's the Edelweiss.
We're feeling so alive.
Here we are on a bird's eye view above Zermatt, which is going to be our home base for the next 2 days.
This is our time. Together we're wild and free. This is where we're meant to be. And I believe this is our time.
Absolutely fantastic. I mean, between the weather and the scenery, the food, the hotels, you get to do the active things that you want to be doing with a group of like-minded individuals, with some staff who are very enthusiastic about what they do. You could not have asked for a better experience.
To an excellent week.